Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well, and as usual, I'll cover for you the list that you can see to the right side of the screen, from the dollar index to euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, Bitcoin, US30, USOIL, so all the list. On top of that, as usual, I'll give you tips, advice, and some of the structures. So, if you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and keep watching till the end. Even our followers, guys, if you can keep watching till the end and watch from more than one device, this will be appreciated. Anyway, let's get started with the XY. For this one, market actually went to the upside. This is the first wave, guys, of the next structure, all right? Regarding the structure of the XY, this is the first wave. What I mean by that, this is actually similar to this one for now, okay? So, anytime, market can give us a structure similar to this. And this structure actually here, is started or about to start. What I mean, we are expecting market to give us a drop, corrective structure, and then a drop. Despite if market will push one more up to break this top or not, this is the corrective structure that we are expecting next for the XY. Again, the corrective structure will be something similar to this one, minimum, all right? So if I actually hide these drawings, just to show you, this wave here is similar to this one till now, all right? So if we get one more push up here, this will not change the structure. Okay, I'm not negating that market can push up to break this top once more. I'm just saying if market push to the upside, you can look for your sell setups, and this drop, it will be the start of a corrective structure to the downside. All right, that's actually regarding the XY. The bigger picture, actually, I have explained it, guys, in the last Q&A session that I covered for WW Pro members. And if you want to join us, this is the dashboard that you will get access to. Of course, WW Pro membership, guys, is the only solution that you need to become an independent, successful trader. All the details are on our website anyway. You can check this. You can go to our Trustpilot profile to just search regarding us and read actually what our members are saying. You can scroll down, read some of the reviews. You can even go to our YS page to check some of the, I would say, video feedback and what our members are saying. Everything is on the website anyway, with some of the videos about like everything with the proof is here. Okay, so if I go back to the dashboard that you will get access to as soon as you join WW Pro membership, you will get access to all of this, guys, all right? Masterclass course, weekly live sessions, trades of the week, months, and year, daily sessions, trades updates, and trade setups, all of it. Now, on last Wednesday, I gave actually the monthly Q&A session for our members. And here, I covered the XY in detail, the top-down analysis, and what is the change of structure. This is one of the moves anyway, and we have more than one possibilities. So anyway, all of these were explained in detail inside the Q&A session conducted last Wednesday. And this Q&A session, it's here actually in the monthly Q&A session archive, and you can get access to all of these anyway, okay? Those of you who don't know, these Q&A sessions, guys, are the advanced part of We Trade Waves concept, okay? Anyway, the details regarding this one is on the website. You can check it by yourself. Back to the XY, I think that's clear. Euro dollar for this one, market actually gave us this drop, and we started this up wave. Again, anytime we can start a big corrective structure up, corrective structure up. This is what we are expecting next. So if you ask me personally, Alan, which direction you will go for euro dollar, I will look for the buy setups, guys, okay? So any buy setup market will give us, we are already in the buy in some of the pairs, but if market will give us any buy setup for euro dollar, we will go for it, okay? So euro dollar, the direction is towards the upside, and this up wave, we are expecting it to be a corrective structure till now. Now, if I want to give you actually some of the tips regarding the structure, this was a top, okay? After that, market gave us a drop. This was an impulsive wave. We broke this low here, which means this might be the first impulse of the next structure. After that, I'll change the color just for you to see the structures in detail. Let me go for probably red. We've got this up wave here, this actually drop, this corrective structure, and this drop. After that, this structure, guys, is done. Is complete, okay? So the next structure or the next wave is this one till now. Up, corrective structure, up, corrective structure here, and then up again. For this structure, anytime market can give us a wave similar to this one, okay? So those of you are a bit lost, remember we see waves and structures differently. Now market will give us something similar to this one, minimum. And now here we are in this wave, in this drop, in this wave. That's why we're expecting market to give us a corrective structure upwards technically here. This is what we're expecting market to give us up, corrective structure up. Despite if market give us one more drop or not here, it doesn't matter. This will not change the structure. One thing will change the structure if market will break down sharp here and break this low and give us a corrective structure. This is for now what we are not expecting it, okay? So what we're expecting is the yellow route, this structure here for now, and then after that, we'll update you. Now, if you want to go and get the more details regarding this one, guys, or the levels, or like where the market can stop, or the next reaction levels, all of this, guys, is covered in detail inside the Sunday session. So what you are missing, actually, if you are not WW Pro member, is first the Sunday session, which is more than 2-hour session. I would say between 1.5 hours and 2-hour session, where we cover all the pairs in detail with the levels. From this list, actually, YouTube list, to if we go here, you will see majors, other Forex pairs, all these lists, we cover them on the Sunday session to actually do that. Plus, we cover the commodities, plus the indices, plus the cryptocurrencies, and of course, the stocks and your requests as well. So if you have any question about any stock, about any pair, you can ask live and we'll answer you. On top of that, this is just the Sunday, guys. Right now, it's Saturday today. Tomorrow, we'll have the live session, which we cover all what we are covering, plus the trades of the week. And to give you an example, last week, we gave these trades actually. If you go to the dashboard, you will see them, but I'll not go there just because we have the trades of the month as well and some of the details. So the trades that we gave last week inside the Sunday session, or like after the Sunday session inside the dashboard, were actually EURUCAD to the upside. If I go here and I go to the 1 hour, we set corrective structure and then up. If you took this buy from here, or you will be at break even. And if you took the buy from under the low, you will be actually in profits. Because we said market will, as long as the market is respecting this low, you should be actually fine to go to the upside. This one trade. And the second trade was EURUSD to the upside. We've got this trade here to the upside. Now market gave us a corrective structure, and then we might be going to the upside again with this one if we get a corrective structure. One, or like I would say, some of our members are in the buy already. So they made money with EURUCAD, they made money with EURUSD, and of course the XPT as well. If you remember, or like if you are one of our members, you know that this is the trade as well to the upside. So 3 trades of the week were actually to the upside last week. This is only on Sunday. Now, after Sunday, you have daily sessions, and daily live sessions are with our seniors. So again, this is what you are missing, guys. If you don't want to get like daily updates, if you don't get actually the daily updates, you might miss structures, and you might miss actually where the market is changing the structure and the next move. On top of that, our seniors are giving as well the trades. So if I go to this one just to show you, this is our Telegram channel, guys, okay? Make sure to follow us here. It's actually at Weighted Waves. That's the one. Let me just show you. It's at Weighted Waves. This is our official Telegram channel, and our official links actually are in the description under this video. So for our Telegram channel, if you follow us here, look at this. This is one of the trades that our seniors actually have posted, and it's matched the profits, the take profit target, okay? If I scroll up, you'll see more of them, actually, a lot of them. Look at this. This is another one. And if I go up, this is another one. And remember, these trade setups, you will get instant notification, guys, as soon as the senior will actually post it inside the dashboard. That's actually what our team have done regarding the automation, regarding actually the notifications, instant notification. And look at these setups. If I scroll up, there is a lot more, I believe. If I click here, look at this. These are some of the setups that our members actually, or like these are the setups where they have hit the target. Of course, not all the setups, I would say, they hit the target, but remember, we apply a good risk to reward system. Look at this one, actually. This is more than 5-to-1 in terms of RR. That's actually where you'll make money if you know how to execute this in a consistent basis, okay? That's why, guys, if you are really serious about trading, I believe this will be actually, I would say this is the only solution, or all-in-one solution for you to become an independent, successful trader. Again, the details are on our website. You can check it by yourself. And if you'd like to join, it's up to you. Just do your research before joining anyone, guys, all right? So this is our website, and all the details are here anyway. So back to the charts. Pound dollar for this one. Market went to the upside here. We've got this trap, and now we are going to the upside again. If I zoom in just to show you, we've got this trap here. Look at this one just to give you the detail about some explanation about regarding market makers framework, or how they will work. Look at this one. Let me zoom in here. We've got this trap. By the way, these are textbook patterns, guys, for weighted waivers, yeah? I'll go to the 1 hour just to show you this in detail. Look at this. We've got this one at the top anyway for pound dollar. We've got this trap here, corrective structure, drop, corrective structure, drop, corrective structure, drop, all of it till this one, until this low, okay? And look what happened here. If I just put a line here just for you to see the low and what was happening here regarding market makers framework, market stopped here and went to the upside. I can guarantee you a big group of retail traders, I'm repeating, I'm not actually criticizing anyone. We are anyway retail traders, but we see the charts differently. I'm just explaining you to know what actually the retail traders or the big group of them, they do and how they lose money. And how market makers actually manipulate the market, and what is the market maker framework for them to make as much money as they can before they move the market in the direction where the market it should go. So as example here, for retail traders or for some of the retail traders, this is actually a support level, I would say, yeah, or support zone. So from here, some of them will get in the buy, a big part of them, especially under these lows, okay? So after this buy, what they will do, they'll put stop loss under this low, the group of retail traders that I'm talking about, okay? So after that, they will try to actually trap them again in this lower time frame downtrend, which is a minor trend. And believe it or not, a big group will sell here as well to the downside. And then, of course, all these ones, or like all these traders who were selling here, they'll put stop loss above this top, okay? So with this one, they started to catch or to trap one of the groups. In this one, they trapped another group. In this one, they liquidated this group to the downside in this up wave. And then after this one, what they need to do, they want actually to liquidate all the people who were actually selling here in this downtrend. Why is that? Because remember, people who were selling with this downtrend or for this downtrend here, they will put actually the stop loss above this top. Okay, so with this up wave, they trapped one of the groups. With this up wave, they actually liquidated two big groups. The ones who were selling here and this one above this top, the liquidity pool, and the ones who were selling here above this top. So once you understand, guys, the liquidity game, once you understand market makers framework, you will know where you should look for the setups. Because remember, your job is not to fight market makers. You cannot actually. Your job is to go with them once you understand how they think and the framework of them and the algo. Of course, all of this, guys, is done by algos. But if you know how to read the charts correctly, this is what we teach you once you join us, you will be able to make a lot of money trading the next wave. Because you will be able to know what they are planning to do with their plan, their footprints, so you can follow them and be in the direction of the next impulse. Remember, impulsive waves are actually made by market makers, not by retail traders, okay? So for this one, after they liquidated almost everybody here with this one, they need now to go down and grab the liquidity under this low and this low, okay? That's why the market actually went to the downside, and that's why we're expecting market to fall anyway. Those of you who actually joined and follow us on the Sunday session and the Wednesday update as well, you know that we're expecting market to fall under this low and actually take these lows as well. We have levels as well regarding this one, okay? So under this low, we've got this trap, pull back and drop, and then up again. Alan, why this pullback and this trap? Weighted average, they know that usually they do not break tops and bottoms once. Why? Because to trap actually this top 100 traders. So again, guys, this is a big topic. This is what I cover inside the Q&A sessions. This is the advanced part of weighted average, by the way, to understand the structures in detail and really like, once you see it, you cannot unsee it. That's the message that we say to our members, okay? Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. So the only way for you to know how to read the charts correctly is by joining weighted average. And I can tell you guys, based on all what our members were saying and based on our confidence and our passion and what we know, based on our experience more than 12 years, I can tell you we are the best. And to succeed in trading, you have to surround yourself with the best, okay? So for this one, after this trap, market start to push up. What's next, Alan? Even if market go down to break this low once more, up is the wave. So for me personally, I'm looking for the buy setups for pound dollar. Can I be wrong? Of course I can be wrong. If I'm wrong, it's two scenarios. Either I'll get out for a small loss, or it will be, I'll not be in the trade, okay? If market actually didn't go as expected. So for this one, that's the thing. For pound dollar, I expect the market to go to the upside from here or under this low. Again, doesn't matter. Market needs to go to the upside before the next structure. The details regarding the levels here, if market actually, I would say the reaction levels will be shared by T during the Sunday session. That will be conducted tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Gold for this one, I think most of you know. And remember that this is actually an uptrend. And we said market is not done yet. And even during the Sunday session, we said, guys, remember 2720. We gave the level anyway inside our sessions, okay? So for this one, what was the level here, or like what was the structure? If I hide everything, this was a contracting flat in the middle, and this was a regular flat and a bigger scale. Okay, after that, market pushed to the upside. Now, all of you are actually waiting for gold to fall. I cannot see this is falling yet. I believe market will give us a corrective structure and then one will push up. This is what I can see for gold before any next structure. Now, this is actually another proof for you that we do not look for correlation, or like you should not look for correlation the way you look at it. We see it differently again, because as you can see, the DXY is pushing to the upside and gold is pushing to the upside as well. So this is not related to the dollar, this is related to geopolitics, what's happening in the world, and some of the KPIs as well. Okay, so for that, corrective structure here for gold, the next structure, one will push up. The level will be shared by T during the Sunday session. How to get access to the Sunday session? You join WW Pro, guys, and you get access to everything. Okay, in regards to the direction, I think it's clear. Corrective structure, one will push up. Which wave to trade is up to you. Personally, I might ignore the last up wave here, and I'll focus on the sell setups once the market is ready. If you want to go for the buy setups, it's up to you. You can go for it, of course. Now, Aussie dollar, it's like all the other majors. Market is about to give us one more push up. And again, guys, I can be wrong, all right? So do not follow me blindly. Do not jump in, because you need to learn how to trade correctly in order to make money on a consistent basis and on the long run, okay? So for this one, we can get a pullback or like a drop and then another up wave to start. In all the cases, up is the move. Anytime market will give me a buy setup, I'll go for it. From under this low, or even if market will give you a corrective structure like this one, another push-up will be coming. This will be a corrective structure or the start of the first impulse of the next corrective structure. Again, if this looks like a bit complex to you, just follow the direction and you will be fine. New Zealand dollar, for this one, it's the same as all the other majors. Again, we can get here one more drop, another up wave, one more drop, and then the next up wave to start. I'm repeating in all the cases, we'll look for the buy setups, and the buy setups will be actually, it should give us a good risk to reward and a good trade. Okay, so up is the move, and minimum will get something similar to this one, but in reverse, of course, like up, corrective structure, and then up. Dollar yen, for this one, market actually is pushing to the upside, and I believe all WW Pro members remember 150 level mentioned during the sessions. Okay, so for this one, market actually is pushing to the upside, and as you can see, the momentum is dying out, which means this is some sort of ending structure. Remember, it's not an ending diagonal, it's an ending structure. There's a difference between those two. The difference is actually, I might cover it during this the next sessions. Okay, so for this one, this is an ending structure. Anytime market can give us the fall to the downside. Okay, so if you ask me personally, I'm looking for the sell setups for dollar yen. And by the way, this sell setup, it can be from here or from above this top. It doesn't matter this. I would say this actually will not change the structure. Okay, in all the cases, I'll not look for the buy setups. I look for the sell setups only. And this sell setup, it can take us all the way to 147 level in the best case scenario. Okay, dollar Swiss, for this one, again, is the same thing. I'm looking for the sell setups. Even if market push up to break this top, it doesn't matter. One more drop will be coming, and the sell setups should be good here as well for this. Dollar CAD, market went to the upside. We've got this drop, and this might be, again, the start of a big corrective structure. So if we get a sell setup here, one more fall before the next up wave. The structure is ready, guys, so it can go to the upside from here. But based on the structure and based on the current market conditions, we are expecting one more drop before the next up wave. This is not done yet. One more push up is coming for dollar CAD after a corrective structure. Which wave to trade is up to you completely. Dollar US oil, market actually is building the waves here. We've got this drop. This is a pullback. It's not a corrective structure. The difference between a pullback and a corrective structure, this is very important for all of you are actually watching till the end. Corrective structure, guys, is a three-wave structure. So that's something I would say Elliott waivers, they don't know or they don't focus about. That's something of, I would say, for weighted waves, it's a textbook pattern. So remember this, a pullback is one wave. A corrective structure is never one wave. It's 3 waves minimum. Once you understand this, guys, and you start to see it on the charts, everything will change for you. Again, the details, you know where is it. It's inside WW Pro membership. So this a pullback here, one more drop, market is building the framework again, and then another drop. Anytime market can give us an up wave similar to this one, minimum. So for USOIL, I'm expecting market to push to the upside, and this is the trade that I'll be focusing on to the upside. Again, a wave similar to this one, minimum. Bitcoin, actually, market went to the upside. This is, I think most of you guys remember everything regarding Bitcoin, yeah? During the Saturday sessions, what I covered during the Saturday and what we are covering inside the Sunday sessions as well. This was a protected low. I'm repeating that because this was actually explained in detail inside the previous sessions, okay? So we've got this up wave, we've got this pullback or this part of the corrective structure, we've got this up wave, and all this, guys, was covered in details with the levels, all right? By T during the Sunday session. We've got this up wave, we set 64 here, and from 64 we're expecting market to go down to break this low, and from this low we start market push to the upside to 70k. So all the levels were covered in detail, step by step, wave by wave. This is crazy, by the way, all right? So we've got a corrective structure and we've got this up wave. What's next? Most probably we'll get a corrective structure, another push up. If market will break this top and start to give us a corrective structure, we are going to break this top, I would say, in a short time. Okay, so for this one, corrective structure up, we are still expecting Bitcoin to go to the upside and be bullish. All right, you must be, guys, you must have made money trading Bitcoin, because again, I was screaming for this one, guys. This is up, this is bullish. If you remember this, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. USD30, by the way, remember, guys, we have the US elections and market will be volatile actually during and after US elections, and the details regarding this one will be covered by T anyway at the start of every Sunday session. So remember, the Sunday sessions actually will start actually by the news events, the fundamental events, and the geopolitics as well. Okay, this is very important to combine, guys, technical analysis or wave analysis with fundamental analysis. If you don't do that, you might get actually more losses than wins. So fundamental analysis will not give you actually the best trades to take, or it will not give you a strategy or how to execute the trades. It will give you a bias. And to trade correctly, you have to have a correct bias most of the times. So if you can combine wave analysis and fundamental analysis, and both of them, they give you the same bias, you'll be a winner at the end of the month. Okay, so this will help you to get a better win rate. Our concept, it will help you to have the complete system where we teach you everything regarding fundamental analysis as well, technical analysis, wave analysis, the strategies, everything you need to know as a trader. You need to know to become independent, successful trader. Everything is inside WW Pro. But just saying, for you to know, fundamental analysis will give you a, I would say, better bias. So in the long run, you will get a better win rate. If you have a better win rate with a good risk to reward system, with a great strategies, and someone who can help you to manage your psychology and help you to find your own balance in trading, that's all you need. And I'm repeating, everything is inside WW Pro. So if you want to become an independent, successful trader and achieve financial freedom, you know what to do. Okay, so for this one, USD30 market went to the upside. We are trending to the upside here. As you know, we're expecting market to give us a corrective structure, one push up. So we've got this pullback. Of course, any top here is the potential last top. This up wave, corrective structure up. Anytime market can give us a corrective structure, one push up before the next drop. Market, guys, is about to drop for USD30. I would say very soon. We are at the end. I would say we are on the last waves of the structure. If you want to buy here, be very careful. Anytime market can start to fall, and this fall will be impulsive, similar to this one, or this one, or this one. Okay, so if you want to catch these waves, every new top, you should look for your sell setups. The details, again, if this will be one of the trades of the week or not, it will be covered during the Sunday session. Again, guys, with that note, I really hope you will actually make money trading the next week. If you want to join, you know what to do, WW Pro. Everything is inside, daily sessions, trade setups, trades of the week. Everything is covered, all the charts is covered before the start of the trading week anyway. It will be every Sunday. It will be live session, the Sunday session. You will see the recording. If you cannot attend live, you can ask questions. So anything, all of these details, guys, are inside the WW Pro, and you can check the details on our website. With that note, you trade with care, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you can like, comment, and share, that will be appreciated. See you next week. Bye-bye.